In this video, I'll be installing a Lutron 3-way dimmer switch. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. So this is the light fixture I need the dimmer switch on. It's controlled by 3 different switches. One switch being a 4-way switch, and the other 2 being 3-way switches. It's really helpful to find a diagram like this online to try to help you understand how 3-way and 4-way switches work together if you don't really understand it. And this dimmer switch is a 3-way switch, so it can only replace one of the other 3-way switches, not the 4-way switch. So the first thing I always do is turn the breaker off. I'll also use my voltage tester just to make sure the electricity is actually off. Now I've unscrewed my switch and I'm pulling it out from the box to take a look at the wires. So what I'm looking for is which wire is connected to my common terminal, or the black or dark screw. And here it looks like I can see that my black wire is connected to my common terminal. And that leaves me to assume that my red and white wires are my traveler wires. I'm going to use the orientation of these wires and just transfer it to my new dimmer switch. So this is the dimmer switch I'm using. You can see on the side that the reddish brass screw is going to be my common terminal, and the other 2 will be my travelers. Here I'm removing the tabs on the side of the dimmer switch. These tabs have to do with voltage and watts, but with LED lights I don't really have to worry about the total watts that I'm using. The dimmer switch comes with an insert that will tell you more about when you can and can't remove those tabs. So I'm still trying to remove the previous plug that was there. They use the push to connect feature on the back, so now I'm just having to insert a small flathead screwdriver into the hole and pull the red wire out as I depress the switch inside. So in this shot you can see where they actually daisy chained the grounding wire to the other switches. I'm actually just going to cut this and just rewire it using a lever connector. Using a new connector will just make it easier to be able to splice the ground wire from the new dimmer switch into the system. So this is the lever nut I'm going to use. It's much easier than using a traditional wire nut. This is a 3-wire nut, so you just place the wires into the holes and push the lever down. So now I'm going to connect the other wires to my dimmer switch. I'll start by connecting the hot wire to my common terminal. And now I'm going to connect my traveling wires. So typically on a 3-way switch it doesn't matter which traveler wire goes in which terminal, as long as they don't go in the common terminal. However, I found out with the dimmer switch it does matter. So if you hook up your 3-way dimmer switch and it's not working correctly, go back and switch your traveler wires and see if that fixes it. Now that I have the switch wired up, I turn the power back on so I can test the new dimmer out. It looks like it's working correctly. So from here, I'm going to screw the new dimmer switch in and reattach the faceplate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.